Hi, in this example, we are going to write an equation of a graph given the graph itself. Looking at this example here, we can see that this line is falling left to right, so there's some things that we could actually note ahead of time. Our first note would be, since the line is falling left to right, that means that our slope should be negative. And the second thing we need to note is that we want to write our line where y depends on x. And this really is just another way of saying write it as slope-intercept form mx plus b. So we're going to write our line in slope-intercept form. Well, in order to write our line in slope-intercept form, we need to find the two parameters that we always need when graphing a line, which is the slope and the y-intercept. So we can easily look at our graph and identify these two parameters. So the first thing, I'll go ahead and go directly to our y-intercept. I'll notice that our y-intercept is where the line intersects the y-axis, which is at 0, 4. So here, b is equal to 4. The next thing we need to identify is the slope. So we will go ahead and pick 2 points on the graph and we'll just count our rise over run. So rise, run. So what I'll do is I'll just start at the y-intercept, that's a good point, and I'll go find one on a really good corner, and that looks like it's here at 2, 0. I'm going to fall 4 units down. So falling is negative, 4 units down, and then I'm going to move to the right 2 units. So my run is 2 units. If I simplify this fraction, I get a slope of -2. Okay, let's put this all together. If y equals mx plus b, and I know that my slope and my y-intercept is -2, 4 respectively, then I would get y equals -2x plus 4.